Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 117. If we start with this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 8. 1 here, so 4, 8. And that 1 makes this 4, 8. So that means the only place our 1 can be in that column is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 9. No help here, 1, 3, 9. 1 and 9 here. That means this is our 3, 9, 1. If we look at this box now, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 7 here. So 2, 6, 6 here, 7 here, so 2, 8. Just the 7 here, so 2, 6, 8. And that means that our 7 for that box has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 covering these 3 boxes, so our 5 must be here. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column, we're missing a 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 8. 8 here, so 6, 7. And no help here, 6, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so that makes this our 2, 8, 9. We can get rid of this 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so our 3 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 7 makes this our 6, 2, 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 7, 2. That 7 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this box now, we're only missing a 3. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 5 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.